Hello, lovely HubSpot community. My name is Arsha Mirsha. I'm a co-founder at Web Mechanics. Web Mechanics is a digital agency. We're a HubSpot VAR, and today I want to show you our solution for HubSpot Multi Step Forms. This is a tool that we've built to help our customers increase their conversion rate, make the user experience much better on our client sites, and it natively integrates with HubSpot, so it uses HubSpot Forms to effectively create a multi-step form experience for the user using HubSpot Forms. So let's dive right in. This is in beta, and we are looking to get feedback basically to see if we should bring this to the market. It's a pretty cool solution, and we want to get it out there if there's interest. So looking for feedback here. And so what's going on? What's the problem? HubSpot's native embedded web forms, they don't offer like a multi-step capability. There is progressive profiling. There are smart fields, what they call smart fields, but what they don't have is multi-step, right? So I'll show you our solution here, but their solution, when asked about it in their forums, they'll say, hey, just create multiple forms and then multiple landing pages and redirect the landing page from the first one, redirect it once they fill out the form to the second one. It's a kind of a clunky solution. It's not the best user experience, and really it's not a great administration, not great for administration either, because you have all these forms and landing pages that you need to manage, right? So our solution, we built like a utility library. Think of it like a software or like a tool that can kind of chain these HubSpot forms together. It doesn't negatively impact the user experience, and it enhances it, in fact, right? So what's it do? Well, combine native forms into one. It's got a progress bar, enable backwards navigation, so you can go back a step if you need to, if you're the user. Improved dependency, I'll show you that. Tracking in mind, so it integrates natively out of the box with analytics through Tag Manager if you have Tag Manager, or through analytics if that's installed directly. And it's developer friendly. It's got on-form ready and on-form submit functions for callback, so you can do your own tracking or whatever extension you need to do, right? So on behalf of Derek Cavallero, our lead developer on this project, I want to show you what we've come up with. So here's the HubSpot Form Chainer, as we call it. And first thing you want to do is you're going to connect to your portal. So it's going to bring you to all the portals that you have. I'm going to go with Web Mechanics. Okay, so now here we are. I'm connected to Web Mechanics. I'm going to ignore these settings here. Don't need to change them out of the box. It'll work just fine. Again, this is in beta, so I'm not, there's some stuff in here that may not be in the live version. Enable debug mode is a good example of that, right? So here you'll choose your what do you have? Your analytics, whether it's through Tag Manager or through Universal or Classic. Choose that, and then the meat of the application is down here. So I'm gonna show you how it works. You click Add Form, and then you search for your form. So I've already set up 3-step form. So here's step 1, and I want to see the preview. But wait a second, you got to have 2 forms. This is a multi-step experience, right? So let's do that. Let's add our second form. Oh, got to spell it right. Test form 2. And now we can look at the preview, right? And I'm just going to go ahead and add the third one here as well. So here we are. We have our 3 steps because we have 3 different forms, and the user can just right here get in there and say, hey, I'm interested in digital marketing, move on to the next step, and it will come in and ask, it'll show this check mark, hey, you're done with the first step, and because I chose digital marketing, now I'm going to ask, what marketing challenges am I dealing with? What's my marketing budget? And we can even extend this further to say, hey, I want to hide this on the second step. Well, here's how you do that. You come in here and you say pre-fill and hide the following dependency fields. So service of interest, update and close, refresh the preview, and now that goes away. And I can show you, like, so for instance, if I choose development now, then the next step hides that, hides that question, right? So, and then because I chose development, it's asking what's my current website CMS. If I chose both, then it will ask about the marketing questions as well as current CMS. As you can see, we have validation built in already. We got a bunch of features in here. We can do a progress bar, or the steps. I personally like the steps better. And there's other configuration you can do in here too. The step name, you can say like this is step 1, and then let's call this step 2, and then you could also do like contact info. You could call it that as well. When we refresh the preview, you'll see step 1, step 2, contact info. All styled out the box nicely. I think part of what we might do is offer styling services as well to match your brand's look and feel, if that's of interest. So there you have it. That's our HubSpot multi-step form, or the HubSpot form chainer as we're calling it. Again, we're in beta, and we'd love your feedback to see if you guys would use this tool, and also what features you might want us to add. Let us know in the comments below this video, or reach out to us, webmechanics.com/contact. I'm sure on the page that this video is embedded on, there'll be some way to get in touch with us. Thank you very much for your time. Hope you enjoyed this, and give us your feedback. We look forward to hearing from you.